So I moved Harlow to a client's place so that I could work her in the arena and just get her back in work and have access to an arena. And Milo and Banksy came just for the day so that I could school them in the arena, and then they went home. So this is her just settling in and them all being excited. And then a day after she arrived, I worked with her on the reverse round pen just as like an intro to being there. And then I did a light little hack on a loose rein walk trot, but unfortunately I didn't film that because I was the only one there. Those of you who don't know, other than being ridden really lightly last summer, Harlow hasn't really done too much because she had a head shaking issue that she needed time off for because she had a really tight nuchal ligament, and it took a little while to resolve it and kind of figure out what the actual cause of the head shaking was, and it ended up being muscular. So it's super windy today. I just moved my off-the-track thoroughbred mare to a new barn on Thursday, and she's been ridden once in the last month. So I figured it's the perfect day to ride her bitless and see how it goes. Boom. Cast your votes. What do you think? Do you think she's gonna be a good girl or no? But at least she's smart enough to turn away from the fence when she does it, but still. So classy, just doesn't even get up and run like the boys do. Oh no. Hopefully it's tied on. Oh, yeah, she's scared. So I warmed Harlow up by doing the reverse round pen, and this is just a nice way of warming up her muscles before I actually sit on her. This is only her second time doing this, and she already knows the hand target, so it was actually quite easy to teach, but I'm still doing a high rate of reinforcement because it is a new behavior to her. So anyways, we just did a little bit of this walk, trot, canter each direction, and this was more about just warming up her muscles and having her focused on me and just seeing how she's reacting to the windy environment. There's no purpose of this for using it to like tire her out or anything. I just want to see nice calm behaviors and just get her nice and warm before I tack her up, and then we go for our ride. Oh, good girl. So cute. Face. Good girl. Okay. A little curly whirly here. Yep. She seems quite relaxed. Good girl. Like she basically hasn't been ridden for like a long time. It's so windy.
looks like a happy tree, I think. Yeah, good girl. You stay in the lane.
I like to go around this and
Nice. Good girl. Yeah, she's a good girl. Good girl. Yeah. I was gonna say, when's the last time you rode her? I mean, over a month. Wow. That's nice. Doing her sprints and hill work in the field. A good girl.
So good.
Hi, cute girl. Hi.
Are you so pretty? Oh, you drink water? Good job.
Bye, Harlow.